Hello, friends. Hope you are having a great morning. Brit here with an arm and shoulder workout for you. And we are going to be using some hand weights today. If you don't have hand weights, that is just fine. You can grab some water bottles or some cans, whatever you have handy that might have a little bit of weight to add some resistance to this workout. But before we get started with that, let's go ahead and do our warm up. And that is going to start with some shoulder rolls. Nice deep breaths. And then also some shrugs. So we're going to take those shoulders up towards the ears and down and up and down. Nice. Rolling those shoulders forward and back. Nice. Let's get moving here. Get that blood pumping. And I'll let you know what we are in for this workout today. It's going to be pretty quick, but we will get it going and then get you on with your day. Nice. So we are going to go ahead. A couple more of those shrugs. Now you can add some lower body movement in there also, kind of giving some little kick outs and little steps side to side. And we're going to do some front raises as high as you can go, and then come on back down, lateral raises. Beautiful. Nice. Remember, now every workout is different. So depending on where you are today, you're going to listen to your body, and we're going to honor that, of course. So if you're just feeling a little bit of restriction anywhere along that range of movement, you go ahead, pause right there, bring it on back. And of course, any pain that we feel, we're going to definitely want to stop. Check in with any health practitioner you might be working with, or you can always holler out at me and we'll find you someone you can work with for sure. Check that out. All right, good. Coming to the front and to the side, I am working with the live crew today. Hello. How you doing, gals? All right, now we are going to come out here to a nice T, and we're going to do some front crosses to the front. Nice, just crossing one arm over the other. Oh, yourself some room. Give myself a little scrape against the wall there. So that's one little thing we want to do also, is make sure we have plenty of room here. We're going to be working with some weights, and the last thing we would want to do is knock over any kind of precious item that we might have, something sentimental. Nice, good. Love it. Okay. One more movement here. Now we're going to go ahead. We're going to bring these arms to a front little L, and then come out to a goalpost and back in. Nice. Bring it out and in. Nice. Squeeze it out as far as you can, getting those shoulder blades back together, but down and in those back pockets. I like to say, nice. Beautiful. Seeing some great form out there. Let's concentrate on that posture today. Nice belly button into spine, lift it up. We're going to be grabbing those hand weights in just about 10 seconds here. Nice. Beautiful. Keep it up. And 3. Little kicks in those legs. And 2. And 1. Let's wiggle it out. Shake it out. Let's go grab those hand weights or water bottles or cans or anything you have. If you don't have anything, or if you are just starting to work out, just body weight is going to be just fine while you get used to these movements, okay? So first movement we're going to have is a bicep curl, but first we're going to start with a little pulse. So arms are going to be, upper arms squeezed right in next to the body. Belly button nice and tight. Booty squeezed. Little bend in the knees. Nice. And we're pulsing. So we're going from not all the way down and not all the way up, but just staying in this kind of like 1/4 to 3/4 range of motion. Beautiful. Nice. We're going to hold it in about 5 seconds here, and I want to hold it for 10 seconds right at that halfway point. Coming lateral parallel. I am not able to speak today. You guys are just laughing. Okay, right here. I've been the same way all week. So here we are. We are parallel with the ground. Weights. Nice. Hold it. Give me 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Now, what I'd like you to do here is push your hips back. We're going to do a bent over rear delt raise. Now, our delts are our shoulder muscles, and so we're going to be squeezing them back. Now, let's keep a little bend in the elbows here. Booty back. Belly button into spine. I'm going to give us a nice 45 seconds here. And what we're looking for, head is looking straight out in front of us. So eyes gaze about 3-4 feet in front of us. Nice. I'm going to look at you. You look out in front. Nice. Good. And I want it out to the side. Good. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys are looking so great. Keep those shoulders down, away from those ears. Got about 15 more seconds here. Booty back. Nice. Lifting those weights. Remember, when we're working with any kind of resistance weight, we need to be taking that weight from the ground up into the air and able to work that resistance. Nice. So not just movement back and forth, but it needs to be coming from the ground and raising. Beautiful. Give me 2 and 1. That looked great. Nice. How does that feel? I don't think we've done that one in a little while. Beautiful. So in order to kind of bring ourselves back up again, I want belly button into spine, stack it up nice, shoulders, hips, shoulders over hips, over ankles, little bend in the knees, arms up, weights together. We're going to do an overhead tricep press. Beautiful. 45 seconds here. Now, when we come back second round, we are going to bust right through these. I want to talk a little bit more through the movements here. Take it a little slower. Beautiful. So little pauses in between our movements, but boy, I'm going to be like rattling it off when we come back. I've got one more movement for us. Nice, good. So we're taking those weights all the way back, keeping our upper arms close to the body, as close as we can. Nice, good. Maybe about 10 more seconds. And then we have our last move. Nice, give me 5 and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice, all the way down in front. That's actually going to be the movement we're going to be doing. Good. So roll those shoulders back. Nice deep breath. Front raise all the way up. Oh my goodness. And then a shoulder press. Good. And all the way back down again. Beautiful. That's the whole motion all the way up. When we get up there, we're going to bring it down into a shoulder press. Of course, now any restriction in range of motion. All right. Do what feels good for you. So options here. You could come right here and just do some small pulses. Or as you're coming down with that raise, we could just do some small raises. All right, but if we don't have any restriction in the movements all the way up, we've got about 10 seconds left. And down, and up, nice. And looking right at you, yeah. Are we ready for that second round? Yep. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Shake it out. Grab yourself a drink if you need, a little towel. Off. And we are going to get started again with that bicep pulse. And then a nice little squeeze hold. Last round in 3, in 2, in 1. Here we go. So shoulders are back. We are pulsing it up. Now, if you want to get a little feisty here, you know how we get a little spicy, a little saucy. You can do a hammer style pulse this time. All right, going from that 1/4 to 3/4 movement. Beautiful little bend in the knees. We always want to avoid locking those knees out, belly button into spine, shoulders back, head up. All right, we're going to hold in that parallel to the ground. Yay, I did it this time. Level in 3, 2, 1, holding right here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, so you're holding this way too. And 1, beautiful, nice job. Shake it out. We're going to bend those hips back, hinge those hips back, belly button into spine. We're going for those rear delt raises. All right. Squeeze it back, bending back, getting a nice low bend so that we can squeeze those arms back nice. Shoulder blades together, but we want to keep them away from the ears. We don't want them squeezed up there. Nice, away from the ears. Gaze is, as I said, about 3 to 4 feet ahead. Push at the ground. Nice. Beautiful. Should we try that hold again? You want to do about a 10-second hold? Okay, nobody's saying yes, but I'm going to go ahead and offer that to you. Okay, in 3, and 2, and a 1. Let's hold it back here. Nice. Now, as you can see here, arms are holding out. Feet are just right below the hips. We got 3. You got this too. Yes, you can. And a 1. Beautiful. Come on up. Shake it out. All right. Roll those arms back. We're going to go up to that overhead tricep press. Beautiful. Now the shoulders are right in here, close to the ears. Raise. Nice. Looking good. Raise it up. Looking good. Raise it up. Beautiful. Loving it. You're looking great. We just have this rest of this exercise and then 1 more, and then I have some nice stretches for you. You guys are doing so great. We're over halfway done. We're actually almost like 3/4 of the way done. Hope you have a great day planned. We are on Wednesday. It is the middle of the week. All right. Let me know in the comments if you're watching the replay, what day this is that you're watching it on. How you like the workout. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Last movement coming all the way down. Remember, it's going to be a front raise. Let's roll those shoulders back. Front raise all the way up. Once we get up there, we're going to bend those shoulders down and do a shoulder press. Up it goes and down in front. Any restrictions in movement, you can keep it right down here. Just as high as you can go. And any restrictions in movement, if you're feeling you just rather do a press, all right? Always listen to the body, honor where it is. But if you are feeling just all about it, let's go all the way up, all the way forward. We have just about 15 seconds left, and it is stretch time. All right, beautiful. And 3, and 2. All right, let's take it up all the way down. It's time to put those weights down and get a nice stretch in. We sure deserve it. Great job, crew. Loving it. All right, so you know my favorite little arm stretch. We're going to go ahead, take some deep breaths back, and we're going to get that IYTW stretch. So taking it up in that nice high I. Feet are about hip width apart or wider if you like. Taking it out into that Y. Stretching it out side to side. Nice. Take it into that T, palms up. Nice, settling in, shoulders back, ears up, slowing that breathing down. Bring it into a little W. Elbows into the side of the body. Nice. We're going to take it back out into the T. Flip those hands so the palms are facing down now. And clasp to the back of the body. If you're not able to clasp all the way back, that's fine. Just go back as far as you can. Love it. Very nice. We're going to go ahead, bring it nice and wide open. We're going to take one arm over the other. Bring that arm as close as we can in. Take a look over that shoulder that is crossed. Nice. Again, taking those shoulders back and down away from the ears. Deep breaths. Open it up. Other side. Close that up. Remember, we want to stay away from that elbow or shoulder just right in the center of that upper arm. Take a look over that bent shoulder. Nice, looking good. Beautiful. Now we worked with those weights today, so we want to go ahead and get a little bit of wrist twists. All right. And we are going to push those hands out. Beautiful. A little press on each side and then down, other direction, and a little press on each side. Good. Resistance each way, so you want to press against the hand that's pressing against that resistance. Beautiful. Little overhead tricep press. So we're going to take those hands up and over the head. Nice and light on that elbow, just a finger or two. Nice. You can shake those hips out. Just slowing that blood flow down. Nice deep breaths. Let's change those arms. Lovely. Last thing on the agenda before I let you go. You know you're not getting out of here without some good hugs. So we're going to open up those arms. Big chest opener. Beautiful. One arm over the other. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's open it up. Oh, guys, you're the best. All right, close it up. Other arm over the top. If you're joining me on the replay, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to give a little like and subscribe so that my daily workouts pop in your feed. And you can always join us here for the live crew workout. Just pop over to exercise2feelgood.com or BritHallFitness.com. All right, crew. Peace. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great one.